Good morning, YouTube. You join me on a lovely sunny quarantine day, which from the weekend I blew my engine up in my MX5, so perfect excuse to start stripping it down and get it ready for the chassis rails and a new engine, and just do an overhaul on the front end. But once that's done, I've got plenty of stuff to do in this 3-week quarantine, so here's just a quick view of what I've got. So we've got Mark II Escort. It's front end's being done. I've done the strut tops on this. I've got the front valance to do, which is obviously quite rotten. I've done this side. I just need to make a new return lip for the top of the wing to sit on, but obviously first I've got to tidy all this out. And we've got my MX5, so I've painted all the inner wings, spot work, stitch welded these front bits here just to give it a bit of strength, and I will be making a triangulation piece to come and bolt up here. But obviously, as you can see here, she's quite holy. That was after I started hitting it with a hammer. So I've taken the front top arms off and the anti-roll bar. Come round here, you've got no chassis rail, that's chopped out, ready to go. Same this side, I've removed the tops just so I can get in and clean all this up. But yeah, so same with this side's done, and then I've got that thing to get on with, try and get that finished this year. This is drying in the sun. Another coat. Yeah, so plenty to do, so sit back and enjoy. Sides are clean. I can give this a quick lick inside just to give it some, and then I'll cavity wax once it's all welded in. That's in. It's not perfect there with a gap and there, but that's the best I can do for now. So time to get the welder out and stick some shit together. That's it, welded this side, it's tacked up all on the other side. Just here I'm going to clean all these back. It's just where the wind's picked up and took the gas away, so they're quite porous, so I'm going to grind all them back. Just go back over it, just make sure it's strong again. Right, so that's the chassis rail welded in. Had a few problems with the wind taking the gas, so I've cleaned back them welds and done some more down here. Just cleaned it all up off camera, and now I'm going to paint it. I also noticed there was no holes in the bottom, so if the water got in through the top, there's nowhere for the water to go, so I've drilled some more holes so it drains out. Small update, put some red oxide on. I will paint it with some black gloss, and then I've got some stone chip to go on as well. Also, whilst I've done that, around here. All that. Start painting these up. And this will be done tomorrow.